Wig Color Trends 2026. The complete guide to the year's most iconic shades. The year 2026 marks a fascinating turning point in the world of alternative hair. We are moving away from the stark, high-maintenance dyes of the early 2020s and stepping into a landscape of dimensional realism. Whether you are a daily wig wearer or looking for a special occasion unit, the current Wig Color Trends 2026 offer a perfect blend of high-fashion editorial looks and low-maintenance, lived-in aesthetics. For the modern woman, a wig is no longer just a necessity, it is a fashion accessory that allows for total transformation without the chemical commitment. This year, the focus is on shades that enhance the complexion, mimic natural hair movement, and prioritize the longevity of the hair fiber. https rawhairluxury.com/wig-color-trends-the-guide-to-iconic-shades/ #RawHairLuxury #Wig Color Trends 2026 #2026 Hair Color Trends for Wigs #Natural Blonde Wig Styles #Low Maintenance Wig Colors #Choosing Wig Color for Skin Tone